do not need perfect parents. I just need parents who look at me.
They did not throw the phones away. They simply remembered who should never come second.
I asked for help many times, but I think nobody really heard me. We did not fail because we were lazy. We failed because we were lost.
That afternoon, 2 bad scores opened a secret the family had ignored for too long.
Maybe Mom and Dad will be angry, but I am already sad. We tell the truth together. Hiding this will only make our hearts heavier.
Hi, kids. I am listening, but I need 1 more minute for work.
Wash your hands first, sweeties. Tell me about school after I send this message.
It is always 1 more minute, but my problem was today, not later.
Jace, I am not ignoring you. I just have many important things to finish.
This is important too, Dad. We needed help, and we did not get it.
This score is very low, Maya. I thought you were doing okay.
I studied. I read the same page again and again, but I did not understand it. Mine is bad too. I tried to ask you, but your phone answered first.
Both of you? How did this happen? We thought school was going fine.
You thought it was fine because you asked while looking at your phone.
I did ask you, but maybe I did not really listen to your answer.
We work hard for this family, but maybe we stopped working with this family.
We know you work hard, but sometimes it feels like work gets the best part of you. I do not need perfect parents. I just need parents who look at me.
That is the saddest thing I have heard from you, and I know we caused it.
I am sorry. I kept saying later, but later became a wall between us.
A wall can be opened, but only if you stop building it every day.
No more excuses tonight. We need to talk, and I need to hear everything.
You turned it off? Not just silent, but really off?
Really off. I should have done this before your heart felt so alone.
Wait, this old box is still here. I almost forgot we kept it.
Family day box? Why have I never seen this before?
Because we made a plan years ago, and then we let busy life bury it.
So this is not just a box. It is a promise you forgot.
Yes, Jace. And tomorrow, we will not hide from that promise anymore.
It looks like a treasure hunt. 3 signs, 1 path, and 1 final place. Maybe the treasure is not gold. Maybe it is the day you promised us.
You are right. We cannot fix today, but we can choose tomorrow.
Tomorrow is no phone day. No work calls, no messages, no screen between us.
Please do not say it because this moment is sad. Say it because you mean it.
I mean it. Tomorrow, my eyes are yours, my ears are yours, and my time is ours.
You two keep the key until tomorrow night. That way, we cannot cheat.
You trust us with the key? Then maybe you really want to change.
Before the adventure, we start here. Show me the questions that hurt your confidence.
This one made me feel stupid, but maybe I only needed someone to explain it slowly.
You are not stupid. A hard question is not stronger than a calm mind.
I mixed up before and because, and then I felt too scared to keep trying.
Let us learn them together. A mistake does not mean stop. It helps us learn.
That night, the family did not fix every score, but they finally fixed the silence.
I got it right, because you stayed with me until my brain felt quiet. This is easier when I am not trying to be brave all by myself.
These scores are not the end. They are the alarm we should have heard.
Tomorrow, we do not run away from mistakes. We walk forward together.
Do you think they can really stay away from their phones for one whole day? I hope so. I do not want to be second place to a tiny screen again.
The next morning, the house woke up without the sound that usually controlled it. Breakfast may be messy, but today I am not working while pretending to be here.
The table looks strange without phones, but it also looks more like a family.
I keep wanting to check messages, and that shows me how big the problem became.
Thank you for saying that. Pretending it is easy would make me trust less.
Today, you two lead the mission. Mom and I follow, listen, and learn.
First sign, the red leaf near the park gate. Team, get ready! No phones, no rushing, no half listening. Those are our rules today. The city feels different when I am not looking down every 10 seconds.
Tell me one thing you wanted to say this week, but you felt nobody had time.
I wanted to say I was scared at school, but everyone at home looked busy.
Thank you for telling me. I am sorry I made our home feel too busy for fear.
What about you, Maya? What did you keep inside because I was not listening?
I kept acting strong, but I was tired of being the helper when I needed help too.
You are still a child, Maya. You do not have to carry every worry for us.
We made it to the park. Now we need the red leaf clue. There! The red leaf is on the gate post. First clue found. One clue down. This family detective mission is officially working.
I reached for my phone without thinking. That habit is stronger than I wanted to admit.
Do you miss it already? Because we only just started.
I miss the habit, not the phone. I choose you, even when the habit pulls me.
Next clue is the wooden bridge. The map says we follow the path by the pond.
The bridge should be near water, so this path makes the most sense.
Captain Mia is using logic. This detective dad approves the plan.
Come on, team. The bridge will not wait forever, and neither will our adventure. There is the wooden bridge. It looks like the one in the old family photo.
We came here before you were old enough to remember, and we promised to return.
Here is the second sign. A little heart hiding on the bridge. The signs were always here. We just stopped looking for them.
That is true for clues, and maybe true for family too.
Last clue. We need the quiet bench under the tallest tree.
The tallest trees are away from the playground, where the park becomes quiet.
This part of the park feels peaceful, like it wants people to talk softly.
For 1 second, I thought it was my phone, and my body wanted to run back.
And what does your heart want now?
My heart wants to stay here with you, even if the whole world keeps ringing.
There it is, the quiet bench under the tallest tree. We found the final place.
That heart piece was part of the old box. We left it here as the final clue.
The box was never really complete, because our family day was never complete.
So today is not just a fun day. It is the day we finish what we lost.
Can we make a new promise, not only for today, but for every week?
Every school night, phones stay away for study, dinner, and real talking time.
And every weekend, one family hour outside, even if life gets noisy again.
They did not throw the phones away. They simply remembered who should never come second.